Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pickle farm in Donut SMP. First, you'll need to gather your materials. This includes dirt blocks, water buckets, and plenty of sea pickles. Finding a good spot is crucial. Look for an area with ample space, ideally near your base for easy access. We'll cover the basic setup to get your farm producing quickly and efficiently. Now let's start building. Begin by creating a flat 9x9 dirt platform. This size is efficient for initial growth. Next, place water sources. A single water block in the center of each 3x3 section will hydrate all surrounding dirt blocks. Once the dirt is wet, you can start planting your sea pickles directly onto the hydrated blocks. They grow best in groups of 4. To get the most out of your pickle farm, light is key. Sea pickles grow faster in well-lit areas, so consider adding torches or glowstone. Bone meal is also your best friend here. Applying it directly to the sea pickles will instantly grow them to their maximum size. Remember to harvest them frequently to keep your farm producing a steady supply of pickles for all your needs. For advanced farmers, consider automating your pickle farm. Using pistons and observers can create a system that harvests your pickles automatically, saving you time and effort. You can also expand your farm vertically, adding multiple layers to significantly boost your pickle output. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy farming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.